Good morning once again. Welcome to Dad Bod Trading, where we do the most boring, average, and mediocre trading you will ever see on YouTube. And we today are going to be observing the continuing madness, which is the stock market, all of its crazy moves. Hang on one second, I have to shut off the baby monitor. There we go. That's better. Oh, yes. So, let me get a swig of coffee here. Hmm. Yes. Hashtag Black Rifle Coffee for the win. So, Apple has earnings today, and that's kind of what we're in the middle of right now. Is earnings season. Hop on a Discord here. Do. And there's. It's funny because I give myself like a whole 3 minutes to prepare here, and then I inevitably forget something. So, pop that on here. Bump. All right. So I'm with Tesla here. It's so expensive. Like, what did it close at? Closed at like 39.38. So yeah, it's still so crazy expensive, and that's probably just because they had earnings report. Let's see. There was the conference call they did yesterday, which was kind of like the big deal. They had earnings the other night before, and so yeah, that's kind of just. Let's see here. I'm very interested in, I think Intel. Is this? I think it's Intel. Yeah, they had earnings, and did they disappoint or not? Do. Let's pop the stuff out here. Samsung. We don't have anything to do with Samsung. Okay. So they posted 109, and so they beat it actually. So that's nice. Okay. So their guidance was down. See, this is kind of a theme for this earnings season. They could have beaten estimates for the third quarter or the fourth quarter, whatever it was. Let's see. Yeah. But if their future guidance is off, or if they're like, we're struggling, blah, 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 we're having a hard time, we don't think we're going to manufacture as many um, as many things, computer chips and that sort of thing, because of the semiconductor shortage and all that good stuff. If that's the case, then it doesn't matter what their earnings were this last quarter. What matters is what their outlook is. So if your outlook is crummy, this could be a life lesson for us. If your outlook is crummy, then you're not going to get anywhere. Okay, so we have our usual suspects on our watch list. I've needed to do this for a while, like add some of these normal, like I said, usual suspects to our watch list. Lucid. If it goes red on the day, we could see some a gap fill to 29 ish. That's something to keep in mind right there. Looks like we have some good support though at about 33. So maybe pop a little thing here. Okay. I'm going to add that to my side monitor. So I have a total of 6 monitors. I have the iMac monitor, and then I have 3 up top and then 2 on either side of the iMac. And the ones that are directly to the right and the left look like they look like this one here, or this one right here. So I will keep tabs on the things that this is actually the right monitor. That's fine. I'll keep tabs on stuff over here. So I've added Lucid, Microsoft. I'm going to check that out here. I should look that up right now. See what it's doing. It's kind of hanging around. You could see some interesting action from it.
Hola.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good.
All right, nice. So I'm just kind of going through the watch list right now. Tesla had earnings and a conference call over the last couple days, but it really hasn't done anything to the stock price. So it's way too expensive. Like, Tesla options are always insanely expensive around earnings time because everybody is used to it moving really big. Last while, it's kind of like earnings have been. Netflix was the only one that I saw that really moved in a meaningful way. All of the rest, it's kind of like they'll have a good earnings report for the previous quarter, but their outlook for the future quarter is like abysmal. It's horrible. And so it doesn't matter that they had good earnings. They are going to bomb in the next quarter. And so everybody's like, well, we're getting out of here. And so instead of your typically, if you have good earnings from the previous quarter and your guidance on the future quarter is average, normal, whatever, then you have some good price action. But in the case, as is the case of Tesla here, it just janked all around. And if we were actively trading it yesterday, we might have been able to get a break of the low of day or the break of the high of day. We could have traded that yesterday and it would have been fine. But as it sits right now, there's nothing. It's just an inside day.
You're not bringing the vacuum.
Okay. YouTube is so weird. Oh, I need to switch over to my other screen here. I was talking about the main one and stuff on the main one, and I wasn't switched over. There we go. So, YouTube is so weird when it monitors a live stream. So it'll tell me it's like you have so many people watching, concurrent viewers, and it usually just blips up a chart, or on the chart, the viewer chart, it'll like blip up one when you sign in and start watching, and then it just goes away. And the same thing happens if Jen puts it on for the kiddos. It's like blip, and then that's it. It doesn't show that they're actively watching it. So it's hilarious. I don't know what the deal is, but okay. So I was going through the watch list. Lucid is kind of interesting because it has a little bit of a gap to fill, especially if it goes red on the day and pushes down below 33. Then, as you can see on the daily chart, we have a candle way over here that has the low of 33.02. So if it can bust through there, it's free sailing all the way down to 30. Or, I mean, 30. So that's $3 worth of gap that would be really nice to take advantage of. More than likely, it'll just range, within, probably hold support on red of the day, and then range within the previous day's candle. But I'm keeping an eye on it. Meh. Everything looks the same. I tell you what, I think there is another Fed meeting. Let's see here. I thought it was over yesterday, but I saw something on a news headline this morning when I was reading the news stuff. This right here. Updated 27th at 8 a.m. Hey! Oh, whoa. What was this all about? There we go. Pop this out, and I will bring it over here. So we have Fed policy ways and Apple earnings ahead. What else is happening in the stock market today? So we have so the index tumbled Wednesday. Futures signal it in the red. Major indexes movements Thursday morning are nowhere near sell-off territory, but they're still well below the highest levels of Wednesday. The Fed said that it will lift interest rates soon. So they actually didn't lift them or raise them yesterday. So the economy is strong enough to handle several rate hikes, he said. And although the markets had already been anticipating rate hikes, the stock market was spooked by Powell's messaging that the Fed is indeed shifting its tone. For the most of the pandemic era, it was doing whatever it took to support the economy and markets, and now it's ready to reverse that policy. So it's kind of been, and we kind of knew this, it's kind of been priced in. Everybody knows that this is coming. Everybody could foresee that the Fed was going to hike up their rates, which of course is going to make the market go down. But it'll be interesting to see how much of that was priced in. Has it all been priced in, and now everybody's going to be like, okay, we're going to buy the dip here, and we are going to make a bank? Or Is it just going to be more slow downtrend? Should have bought it 420, you know?
Yeah.
So Elon Musk would say that, though, I would imagine. So he's probably the one that kept it afloat at 420.
Exactly.
All right, so back to that article. No, the market was hoping for no surprises from the FOMC statement and a soothing voice from Chairman Powell during the presser. And the presser and the balance sheet comments did not soothe market concerns. So earnings report earnings is important for the stock market. Thursday, about 12%, the S&P 500's market capitalization will report earnings. So you have Comcast, you have MasterCard, McDonald's, Apple, Robinhood, and Visa after the market closed today. So all of those tomorrow are going to be things to watch, because if they can post some good outlook instead of just good earnings, we could have some pretty good runners. Apple, unfortunately, I don't have a whole lot of confidence in it because they're still dealing with the shortage of the semiconductors. So who knows? Who knows what's going to happen with that? I want to get rid of this. What did I do with it? All right. So uh, I will be right back. I got to do a couple things here,
Okay.
and before the market opens. So I will be right back in just a minute or so.
Oh.
Okay. And we're back.
Okay.
Okay,
Did you see
so...
what Ryan said on the work chat?
No, what does he say? Oh, no. Man. Lovely.
Hey.
Okay, so MA MasterCard. The daily chart doesn't look all that great on MasterCard. It's had some good range in the last couple months, but it's not looking all that great. Like it's not in a breakout place. Like if we were at the top of this channel and it was earnings, I'd be like, something could potentially happen. But we're literally like in the middle of this run here.
Yeah.
Let's
In
see
the middle
here.
of a lot.
McD. They had earnings. So, looks like they weren't doing all that great. Are they going to open at about 247? Okay. Okay, McDonald's could be a potential play here. Let me see. What was it at? 249. Horrible spread on the options, though. That's one of the things that's annoying about trading options is that you're kind of limited to the ones that are just,
Oh, did you see Ryan's text, Dad? Did you see Ryan's text?
No, I have not seen it. What?
Oh, it will just be me and you. It would just be me and you at Mills framing the basement walls or whatever. Because he is.
You didn't tell him you're not up to it?
Not really. I didn't have a chance to. But he said he's feeling he might be there.
He's what?
Well, if everybody's feeling sick.
John got sick, and also Kelsey is not feeling well.
Yeah, Caitlin's starting to come out of it. Joseph's recovering.
And
John got sick now?
John is sick. Kelsey is starting to feel sick. And Ryan said he's starting to feel a little rumbly.
Uh-oh. And I was with him all day yesterday.
Yeah.
You have to stay away from Dad now. He's a
Quarantine. Comcast isn't doing all that great. It'd be nice if it could stay below 46. Yeah.
I want it above 46.
No, Dad.
Harder to work.
No. We want this thing under 46 so we can short it and make some money.
Make all the monies.
All the monies. We will take all of it.
So I'm not sure what to do, really. But... I mean, there's painting stuff to do at LC, but...
Truly where it ended? Oh, it is. Okay.
You didn't say good morning to me.
Do 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 do. You get a line, I'll get a pole friend.
I'm eating a big breakfast because if I'm gonna throw up, I want to throw something up.
Ew. If you're feeling sick, I am not working with you for sure.
That's good to know.
I'll go work with Nate.
Mm-hmm. So Tesla rejected its level. If Tesla's going to move big, that means we're going to have a possible continuation with NIO, which would be good. So let's see what NIO does here. I'm okay with that. Nice. Wow. Okay. Man, that's a solid drop right there.
I guess.
Ooh, Lucid too. Wow, okay. So we have... That was, like, beyond fast. Wow. Okay, so... Might grab myself a little bit of a...
Feel like it's gonna reverse, maybe?
Right, yeah.
Right, that green line.
I'm gonna give it some time here because...
I don't know.
I want confirmation. I don't want to just jump onto it.
Yeah, and that's a pretty big move, so right.
Right.
In the first handle, so.
Okay, so Lucid, continuation, almost. But greater markets are bouncing. I'm probably going to pick up a put here for the break. Let's see, did we get filled?
No, I did not.
No fill on Lucid.
Dang it.
Cancel order. Neo has some nice rebound.
Well, Philip does. Philip's really not feeling the best, and he doesn't want to crash again. So I don't know.
Intel is kind of at a support level at 49. Alright, let's see some channels.
Yeah.
Lucid would have worked if we could have gotten a fill.
Well, that's nice to know anyway.
Yeah, I mean, that's... We're right on with that. Excuse me.
I personally,
I might grab me...
I was you, I would just take care of your family
Dad,
Like,
I can work on the truck if it needs to be worked on, as long as I know it needs replaced.
Okay, so we went short on Neo here.
At the
At the break here.
I don't know.
And our risk is the top of the green candle there.
okay.
And our goal is going to be right around 21. Oh, Lucid. Man. That's okay. I should have chased it. Oh well. It's life.
Yeah. And it's not ever really a good plan to chase stocks, but
No, it's not, but
that's okay.
in this case it's such a major break of support. It
Yeah,
probably would be
that's
okay.
true. Yeah, that's true. I guess I forgot about it.
Yeah. Oh well, we'll see what happens here. I'm in Neo and we'll see how Neo performs here.
Yeah.
Let it bounce around a little bit.
I can
Door sort of thing.
I could run up to Aikens right now. I'm not doing anything. Riley.
No, because then we won't be able to use the rest of the wall. So, yeah, that's fine. Actually, KK just poked his head around the corner and said he could run up there quick and get it before I leave. So, why don't we just do that? And then I'll go down. Yeah, I'll go down and clad that door and help Nate out.
PVC white.
Happens. One white PVC.
Okay. I get to drive my truck.
Nice.
Let's see what were you? You're trading Intel? Is that what it was? Why can't I remember?
Comcast.
The more and more I think about getting engaged, the more and more I mentally tweak out.
Hey, you know what? Probably shouldn't talk about that on Discord here.
This is true.
Just saying.
So I'm not gonna get engaged.
That's fine. I can cut it later on.
No. Yeah.
I think you're the only one watching right now, so.
Yeah. That's okay. I totally didn't even think about that because I forgot that I'm going on.
Do, 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 do. So, are we basing here at Neo? Comcast, don't do this to me.
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
There, now try that. I think I got it.
Yep, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Oh, here we go. Yep, I got it that
Okay,
time.
cool. Let's see here. Do I want to... Man, Comcast, the spread got me again, unfortunately.
Oh,
It's okay. I wanted to give it some time just because the greater markets are kind of... They haven't broken out yet, so... if this is just the channel that it's making, I want to give it a chance to go back down, but it's not looking all that hopeful.
yeah.
So, looks like Neo is kind of just... Neo is still red on the day. Yeah, Lucid was the one, man.
Too bad your position didn't execute.
Yeah. Oh, Intel's looking pretty good, too.
So the lady that you're currently training under now, are you thinking, or are they thinking about having you come on as a trainer in a few years, or?
I don't know the answer to that, actually. Not quite sure.
I shouldn't know if, like, because you had a lot of training with Tim, and so I didn't know if you were gonna
Right.
help them or.
No, right now it's just a Discord thing, so.
Yeah.
Ew. I almost drank my day-old coffee.
Good soup.
Good soup. Oh, let's see here. Okay, I'm getting out of Comcast because it's
just not it.
It's just not it. Nope. Man. Oh well, that's okay. And look at Lucid. That's just sad.
The thing is, you were right about it dropping.
I was right about it. Like, I was like, it's got a gap all the way down to 30.
Once it gets down there, it's just gonna go, and it did.
Yeah. Ah. I'm gonna probably have to get out of Neo also because it's bouncing, it's hitting VWAP. Well, that's frustrating.
Yeah.
This is one of those times where I'm just like really tempted to like be really frustrated because I picked the right one, didn't get in on it, chose another one, and it was the wrong one. So. Comcast keeps on going. I should have switched directions, switched strategies.
Whoa.
Spreads. That's kind of ridiculous.
May bump off the pre-market high, possibly. I guess.
Yeah. I think that I need to work on. Um, ah, I think something that I need to work on is cutting my losses quickly, because
Yeah.
in a situation like this, so we bought at the break of 46, which was fine. That was kind of the plan. But as soon as it went above it and held it, I should have just gotten out of it. Um,
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm also kind of forgot about Neo. Um, I guess I'm going to cut that one too, because um, that one's breaking out. So, not a good day, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Why is it not letting me sell this? Okay. Do. That would have been better if I would have focused on breakout on the SPY and the Qs. Now, I would have been better if I would have just gotten into Lucid.
Yeah.
That's just kind of the long and short of it. I should have, I mean, typically, I'm in the habit of not chasing things, but I need to remember at a key level like this that it's very chaseable. I'm not going to chase it now because it's within $1 of my goal, but
Yeah.
the pain, man.
Kind of sucky.
Yup.
Oh well.
I was wanting to. Let me see. Which one was it that I was wanting to get? $32 one. I wanted to get that one for $100, so yeah, could have had about a $70 gain on that.
Would have been pretty swag.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, so I'm trying to look for other opportunities. I'm not really seeing a whole lot. Intel has a little channel.
Yeah.
has really tight, spreads, so that's kind of nice.
Ooh, juicy.
Yeah. I think I might actually get in on this because it looks like...
Well, if it can break, either break the channel, or I guess you could channel trade it also.
Yeah, I'm thinking that it's a small enough channel. I'm gonna get in here in anticipation for a break, and then my top is just the channel itself, top of the channel. That's where my stop is. It's pretty hard support at 47.87. So we'll see what it does.
Do you think it'll go green out of that? Seems like
I don't know.
greater market is green, but maybe not.
Yeah.
Nope, there it goes. Maybe.
Maybe.
Thought about it.
Kind of depends on if the rest of the market goes or not. So
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna give it to the top of this channel, you know.
Yeah. There's a cop.
Mm.
Nice. And I was even texting. That's okay.
Hmm.
It's all good.
Sophie. Okay. Wait, do I have a position there? Why is it not showing up on my phone? Uh-oh. Did I just lose Discord? No. Okay. We're good.
Yeah, you're back.
It's all good. Hey, phone. Oh, man. It's kind of a frustrating day. My phone's... The app is not working on my phone to get me out of this position here. So... There. Thankfully that was cheap.
Well, I have to go into the Aikens,
Okay.
so I will be back out in a minute. I'm probably gonna leave the Discord call and then
Okay. Sounds
join
good.
back in. Bye.
Okay, well, out of that one too. So...
Can you hear me now?
Yep. I
Okay.
gotcha. Alright, so we got stopped out on Intel. So that was kind of too
Dang it.
bad. I'm thinking about getting in on Netflix here because it is breaking out. Um,
Just so you know, Dad texted you on the work chat. Just because
okay.
that way he'll probably try and call you or something, maybe. Sorry, people. I will be busy on Monday or Saturday. Oh, truck. Netflix is breaking out.
Yep, I got in on it on this break here.
Nice.
Give it some time and see what happens. I tried to buy it on that dip there. It didn't get filled, so bought the break.
Too bad. Trying to decide. I'm kind of thinking about maybe going to McDonald's, but I'm not sure.
I think that's a good idea.
I need to get fuel though.
So I have resistance at 390. Oh, okay. Well, got out of there. Okay, so Netflix made $60 on there, so that helped recoup some of my losses. So that's nice. Oh, I should probably hold it longer, but you know, that was a good run for me. I will be happy with it.
Alright. I'm at the fuel station, so I will be back in the truck in a second. Just gonna
Okay.
start fueling.
So let's see. We had Sophie put should have held my Netflix. Oh well. That's okay. Well,
Oh, stupid card reader wasn't reading my card right. Do it like 3 times.
Intel. Did I do that? Oh yeah, no, not yet. Alright, so yet again another day in which we basically just lost money in the first part and then pretty much gained it back in the second part, so, you know. Man, Lucid is still giving. It's like the giving tree. Wow. Well, this shall be remembered in my mind as the best play of the day, which I called, and actually called pretty much the bottom of it, too. And it shall also be remembered as the one that got away.
Crap.
She was the one that got away. The one that broke my heart. Sophie. Man. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-bow. And Netflix found some resistance at $3.95. Okay. What does that correspond with? Why did it do that? Let's take a look. Oh. No? Kind of. Kind of no. Kind of yeah. Yeah, there it is. Yep. But that was a nice clean break, so I'm happy for that.
Yeah.
I was like really close to getting out of it when it was faltering here, but decided to just kind of give it some time, and I'm so thankful that I did. So it's bouncing off of the which one is it? Simple moving average, the 9 one. So it's kind of failing there. Okay, well, I just realized what time it was, so I need to get going to work. So I'm gonna hop off of here and get ready for the day. So thanks for joining me. And you're muted for some reason, so that's okay. See ya. Everybody else who's listening on the live stream, thanks for joining. And I'll see you tomorrow.